ToughLED Pro has been designed by the installer for the installer to make the installation as fast and simple as possible. By using continuous customer feedback, ToughLED Pro has been engineered completely in-house by the JCC team. ToughLED Pro features a unique lock-in-place side clip design, securely locking the clips up and out of the way. The unique design prevents any frustration of the clips getting caught in between the diffuser and the base during the installation. The connection between the stainless steel clips and the base has been strengthened with the implementation of bookend clip limiters to ensure that the clips do not detach during the installation. The side clips have all been rolled in design to ensure that there are no sharp edges and there's no harm to your finger as they are unclipped. There are 4 different terminal block locations pre-molded into the base, which the press-fit terminal block can be located into. Simply unclip the terminal block from the base during the installation and reposition into a different location depending on the installer's preference. The terminal block can therefore be located towards the centre of the fitting or near to the end, but this typically depends on the previous retrofit wiring layout. The press-fit terminal block can also be rotated by 180 degrees, depending on the direction that the cable has entered the fitting. The terminal block can be completely disconnected from the LED gear tray using the plug-and-play AC connector to ensure that the LED gear tray and diffuser stays protected and away from getting dirty and damaged in the initial installation and wiring phase. To allow for a seamless loop-through of the permanent live emergency wiring, every standard non-emergency fitting has a 4-way press-fit permanent live terminal. Throughout the inside of the base, there are 6 pre-molded loop-in, loop-out cable restraints. The unique cable restraints have been designed to hold the mains cable neatly away from the gear tray, so they don't hang down and get in the way when the gear tray and the diffuser are being pushed back up during the final stages of the installation. Retrofitting directly onto surface conduit has been made significantly easier with the addition of the template of the conduit BISA box on the back of the fitting. The exact screw points have been moulded into the base with precisely 600mm spacing to ensure that there's a correct and accurate fixing. There are also markings wider than the 600mm area if the previous conduit box was spaced further apart. The surface mount bracket can be used as a template to ensure that the holes are precisely drilled out in the back of the fitting or the ceiling. If you are not using the surface mount bracket and decide to drill directly through the back of the fitting, there are multiple screw points that can be drilled out and used to mount to the surface. The surface mount bracket rail has been made significantly wider compared to traditional luminaires to give more flexibility when mounting onto ceiling joists or exposed beams. The stainless steel surface mount bracket has been reinforced, enlarged, and there are an increased number of potential screw holes in the bracket. ToughLED Pro features a significant number of 20mm conduit entry points moulded into the base to cover the wide range of conduit layouts in the applications. All 20mm conduit knockouts have been pre-moulded into the base with a central drill point. There are 6 side conduit entry points, including the popular side central conduit, 2 20mm end conduit, which can also be used with the 2 stuffing glands provided, 3 rear BISA box conduit points, which can be used with the BISA box method, or for cable entry points when using suspension jack chain. To maintain the IP rating when bringing 2 cables into the back of the fitting when surface mounting, ToughLED Pro has a unique 2-part silicon gland. The gland design allows the installer to simply pull the cable through the gland located in the back of the fitting and lock in place from the inside with the internal green fixing nut. The emergency pack and microwave sensors are all completely plug and play. All accessories are pre-wired to the correct length and have unique connectors to prevent wiring errors. They also do not require the use of any tools, keeping the installation as fast and simple as possible. The modular product design allows the customer to change, replace, and upgrade the components whenever they require. Emergency packs are available in both maintained and self-test. Both come with a 5-year warranty on all lithium batteries. Microwave sensing options are available in on, off, and step dimmable. Both options have a simple, easy-to-use remote control that enables the user to change the sensor settings from the ground after the product has been installed. ToughLED Pro is available in both opal and prismatic diffuser options, delivering up to 145 lumens per circuit watt, available in single and twin outputs in the same width body in 4 foot, 5 foot and 6 foot lengths. The base and diffuser are both constructed from full polycarbonate, and the clips and brackets are both constructed from a highly durable 304 grade stainless steel. All products, accessory packs and batteries come with a 5-year extended warranty.